Now, I don't know about you guys, but I love fall. I love to dress for my big and tall self, and I'm going to be showing you guys some of the best finds that I have found so far this year at Walmart. I'm Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. All right, guys, for this first look, we are going to talk about these polo shirts from Free Assembly. I love the Free Assembly brand. What I love about it is it's got a young, kind of youthful look, but it's got a really kind of normal, regular guy fit. I'm wearing a 2XL, and I like that this polo is available in 4 different colors. I also really like the white piping or that trim that is around the collar. It just kind of gives it an elevated look. Speaking of elevated looks, this watch and bracelet set from George is fantastic. The bracelet on that is actually made of metal, and the band or the bracelet is leather. So you get a 2-piece look that you can pair up with anything. These boots that I'm wearing, this is another great find. These are from Alpine Swiss. I love these so much. They are easy slip on and off, and they are a faux snakeskin. Now, anytime I am planning my fall wardrobe, I've always got my denim jacket handy because a denim jacket goes with so many different looks. Now, this is by Signature by Levi's and Company, and you can find this at Walmart, and it is an investment piece. However, this is something you will have in your closet for years. My jacket I've actually had for about 2 years, and I love it. I love the versatility of a denim jacket. You can wear with khakis. So many great options. Now, another great option is this Henley from George. This is the softest Henley, and I love it so much. It's available in 4 different colors, and it goes up to a size 3XL. Definitely keep your eye on this, and keep your eye on these gray Airwalk sneakers. These are so cute, so comfortable. They are in gray and white. I love the white trim on them. They're a fantastic price point. Airwalks are extremely comfortable, and if your feet constantly hurt like mine do, then you will appreciate the Airwalk sneaker, I am telling you. Now, George is a brand of dress shirts. It's a men's brand that they sell at Walmart, and their dress shirts come in a lot of variety of different patterns and colors, solids. They are such great shirts. I can tell you that every single George shirt that I've ever bought has been extremely comfortable. And also Free Assembly, which is what this gray shirt is that I'm wearing. Free Assembly is such a fun brand. There's always something very different. There's always something that just is kind of a little bit different that's going to catch your eye. For example, the pocket on this one is just a little bit different laid out than the rest of the shirt itself. Now, another thing that I really love is this shirt by Ralph Lauren. This is Chaps by Ralph Lauren. I was able to get this at walmart.com for an incredible price. I love that it's in this navy, orange, and white color combination. It is perfect for the fall, especially right now when you maybe want to dress for fall, but you don't want the long sleeves or the coat. Now, a great thing about this, especially guys, if you run hot like I do, layer this. Add a Free Assembly fleece cardigan to this, and you are going to be stylishly dressed, and you are also going to be nice and comfortable. This fleece cardigan is so comfortable. It's available in 3 different colors, and I love it so much. Now, also speaking about something I love, the George flannel shirts. Ladies, if you have not purchased these for yourself, you should. Everybody is wearing these. These are so comfortable. My friend Sarah Jane swears on these, and I love this Swiss Tech vest. It's not quite a puffer vest, so it doesn't feel quite as heavy as some of the puffer vests do, and it's a perfect layering piece to have on hand. Now, another hot item is going to be these Rugby polo shirts. This is by Free Assembly. As you can see, this is also going to be an amazing price point, and if it is available in your size, I highly recommend you get it. It is super soft. It is super comfortable. It looks like a polo shirt. It has a little bit of a hood on it, and it is a perfect orange and blue color, which is perfect for the fall. By the way, all of the denim that I've been wearing is also by George, so you can find it at Walmart. You can be a big strong man by wearing all these fantastic coats and clothes. Now, this Raincoat, this lightweight raincoat, is also something that I love so much. I picked this up. It's got a hood. It's in my favorite color, and it is by Swiss Tech. What is also really cool about this is that you are going to have this jacket for a while. This is not your flimsy little thin raincoat. This is something that you are going to be able to wear. It comes in a variety of colors, and also what's really cool is that it has these Velcro straps that kind of help keep the wind out. If you are ever in a super cold climate, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. You're wearing gloves. This jacket is also something that I was in love with the moment I saw it. I'm even more in love with it now that I see it in person. By Free Assembly, what I love about this Trailblazer bomber jacket is that this also has a hidden hood to it. So it looks like a regular jacket, but once it starts to rain, I can simply unsnap and I can cover up my head and make sure that my hair doesn't get wet. Now, this is another lightweight jacket in my favorite color, of course, of blue. This is also by Free Assembly, and I have to say this was a fantastic price, and I am super, super glad that I grabbed this one. It is in twill, and it is super, super comfortable. It's in my favorite color. It feels like a soft sweatshirt, and it's just made for comfort. This is something I could put with a pair of dress pants and a pair of like a dress shirt, and I would absolutely feel comfortable walking around with clients with it or in the office. This bomber jacket from George, guys, this varsity jacket, if you have not snagged one of these yet, you've got to go and get one now. There are 3 or 4 different color combinations. It goes to size 3XL. It is so comfortable. It feels like a lightweight kind of wool material, and this will keep you warm, I promise you. This is a piece that I am going to have in my wardrobe for a while. Now, you may remember a workwear, kind of barnwear jacket trend that was going around for a while, and I have to say this jacket that I snagged was fantastic. This is also by Free Assembly, and what I love about this jacket is that it's lightweight, but it has this kind of corduroy collar trim to it, so it feels a little bit heavier. It just looks like it's really fall worthy, and it's going to be lightweight enough. So if you live in one of those climates that might be just a little cooler, this jacket, I think, is going to be absolute perfection. And this cardigan, this yummy, like bomber jacket style cardigan, this is incredible. By Free Assembly. This is as soft as a blanket. I love the fabric that this is made out of. I cannot tell you how comfortable this is. Like, the way it fits is perfect. I am going to definitely wear this to the office. I'm going to wear it casually. I'm going to wear it all around. You're definitely going to see me wearing this if you see me out and about in Atlanta, because this is going to be a staple. I'm telling you, grab this. And this coat by George, this is a puffer jacket. It is in this camo color. What I love about this too is that camo is super popular. It's going to be a fall trend for sure. It is available in a variety of sizes and a variety of color combos if you're really not feeling the camo kind of look. But I'm telling you guys, camo is going to be super, super stylish. It's been on trend for a while, and it is not going away anytime soon. Again, everything that I'm wearing right now is from Walmart, and everything that you see here you can find in my storefront. And let's face it, at the end of the day, we all want to relax. A Hanes robe that's available in a variety of sizes is perfect. This is lightweight. I love this, and it is the perfect way for me to end today's video in perfect comfort. And yes, by the way, the men's socks that I'm wearing, not a usual thing to wear with my robes. They are also from Walmart.